Welcome back to a normal video, and we're doing Talladega.
We're going to do some Talladegas on this video.
First two.
These were the first two
Talladegas.
Hot Wheel Talladegas. This was the first edition car.
Pretty
Can't
nice
remember.
ones.
I don't know if the red one came out first or if the blue one came out. I think the blue one was first and then the red one was the second color, but I could be wrong on that. So, yeah, these are just plastic bases on them. Metal body, black interior, black hood. They look pretty cool. They don't look bad at all. So we got quite a bit of Talladegas here. Most of them are Hot Wheels, but start out with those two. Alright, next one.
Is this one here?
You get this white one.
There's also a yellow one.
The yellow one. They're the same.
Yeah.
What year is that? Should say it on the card.
It is year 2011.
2011 edition.
New models, though.
Huh?
It says new models.
Let me see. I like that, new models. Oh, but but this isn't new models here. This is Musclemania.
Yeah.
Musclemania. 2011.
So I'm guessing after those ones was the Super. After the first two.
It's possible. The Super could have been the next one. Let's see here if they have what year.
Which had the Super.
Well, I don't have the Super.
Yeah.
I'm missing the Super on this. So that's a white one and the yellow one.
And there's these two. And this one looks similar.
So we have this burgundy one with the yellow and white stripes on it. Black wheels.
These ones don't look bad.
This one's gold. Got blue interior. They all have the chrome base on them. And what's this one here? Silver. Silver with blue interior. They all do look similar. Under the tempo work seems to be the same on them, just different colors. They might have all came out the same year there. Big old fat body, big old cars. Nice, very nice ones. You know what else I'm missing? Is the vintage racing Richard Petty one. I don't have that one either.
Purple. And then here's a green one.
Purple one with flames and the green one with flames.
I have these.
You have both of these, the purple one and the green one?
And I also have I think I have the first two. I'm not sure about the blue one. But I know I have the red one.
The red one?
And then I also have the white one.
Which white one? Oh, that white one with the black hood. Yeah, and these some flame cars. Green one, purple, black interior. This one has black interior. Yeah, I guess they both have black interior. Most of them have black interior, it looks like. Alright. There's those two.
And here's some latest ones. These two.
Those are the latest ones?
Yeah.
Oh, are those 2018?
2019 actually.
Or 2019 maybe?
I like the white one with the green.
The white and green.
Yeah. And green windows, green flames, green striped rims.
What color is that interior? Looks like it's got blue interior in it. And this one's got black interior.
Yeah, it has blue. The glass makes it nice.
Kind of looks green with the glass, but it's actually blue interior.
Yeah, blue interior. I like the white one better.
The white one better?
Yeah.
Yeah, the white one looks good. They both look pretty cool. You like those flame ones better than the other two flame ones, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the purple one and the green one's got a little too much flames.
And then
a little overdue.
Racing Champion.
It's a racing champion here. Number 21, Cale Yarborough, 429. These have metal bases on these. Racing Champs. Kale Yarbrough. Alright. That's that one to 21.
These here look really similar with opposite colors. Well, like
they're both gold and white.
Yeah.
Different numbers. This is 29, and it's got Bobby Allison on this one. Long Lewis Ford. And this one is number 48. And it's got James Helton on it. And this is Torino Cobra on the side. It's got white wheels on this one. A little more gold on the 48 than the 29. 29's got a little more white. But yeah, they're very similar, aren't they?
Yeah.
Maybe the same team.
And then there's another racing champion.
And here's a black and gold one, number 13. And this is Smokey Yokin or something. Number 13. Got gold wheels on it. Racing Champions. 1992. 14119 for a number. Black and gold. Alrighty. That's all the Racing Champions. I think we got just those 4.
And a couple of Johnny Lightnings.
And these are a couple of Johnny Lightnings here. And a blue one.
They both got
and a yellow one.
So close that one.
Same motors in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's yellow with a black hood. And one's blue with a black hood.
Different wheels.
It's we're running out of time here. We gotta go quick.
The only difference is wheels and.
You know what, Tommy? We're just gonna have to show the rest because we can't open them. We're running out of time. We're gonna have to hurry up through here, guys. Sorry, starting to run out of time here. This is the Unico 76 ones.
Gold.
And we have this gold one here.
You could pause the video and look at them if you want.
Yeah, if you want to get them closer. This one here is with WrestleMania in black.
Okay.
With orange interior.
This is my favorite one.
And this is the treasure hunt one.
Oh, really
but it's
nice.
not the super, it's just the regular treasure hunt one.
Really nice though.
And it says treasure hunts on the side.
And
then we have, this is Racing Champion here, Leroy Yarbrough. In white, number 98.
Then the last one after that is...
It's got a black hood.
These are Johnny Lightnings actually.
Yeah, this last one's a Johnny Lightning too, number 17.
And then that's the final one.
David Pearson's in black and gold. I mean blue and gold. Sorry guys, we gotta kind of get through the video. It's running out of time here.
This here's my favorite one.
You want to open that one? We got a little bit of time.
Sure.
I'll just show you this one real quick before it runs out of time.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below. Subscribe. Hit the bell button. Hit like. And see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.
Bye.
What's it say there on the roof?
I think it's supposed to say 89. Oh no, 69. 60. Yeah, 68 because on the side.
It says something on the roof though.
It does?
Yeah, I can't read it.
Probably someone's name. But.
Alright guys, we'll catch you on the next video then.
Bye. Drive safe.
Alright, we'll see you later guys. Thanks a lot for everything.